Hi, my name is Loretta and I'm a heart breath therapist. I live on the Sunshine Coast of beautiful British Columbia, Canada, where I reside on the Coast Salish territory. Not only do I get to reside here, but I also have the privilege of working here and serving my community. I am a big fan of making the world a better place. And I'm also a big fan of being in my wellness and well-being. So if you're somebody who also likes to make the world a better place and wants to be in your wellness and well-being and out of burnout, I'm going to invite you to hit the subscribe button right away. And here's why. Over the last 24 years, I've had the privilege of working within 13 countries with thousands of people from all walks of life. I've been able to support them one-to-one coaching, small and large groups, and work on multi-million-dollar projects for change in government. In this channel, I'm going to be sharing with you the resources in order to support yourself to create a thriving life and transition from one chapter of your life, if you will, to the next with more ease. My background spans in certified coaching, change management, leadership, and body therapy breathwork. And most people go, why body therapy breathwork? Well, because what I found was that when we connect to our heart and our breath, we can actually change more inside of ourselves, and as a result, create with more on the outside. So in this channel, you're going to get weekly videos that will support you to do that, to build more self-awareness, to educate yourself on more information around change, wellness, well-being, and inner leadership. And you're also going to get some free tools and mini courses. So if you look in the description of this video, it says free heart meditation. Go ahead and download that. Not only are you going to get the free heart meditation, you're going to get some information and be able to check in with my teaching styles to see if it's right for you. I try to be as inclusive and as conscious and aware and empathetic as I can in all my videos. I invite you to provide your feedback. I invite you to ask me questions so that I can formulate the right type of content that's for you. So if you haven't hit the subscribe button and this is all of interest to you, please do. Check the videos down below that I've already posted, and don't forget to get your free heart meditation. Check it out and provide me with some comments and feedback. Thanks so much for tuning in. I look forward to connecting with you more.